Now, interestingly enough, what happens if I turn these? You really are going to miss out on the whimsy if you turn these. They're all going to be all 4 mugs in a wire holder, and when you put the handles all through this one area where it's a little narrower, then they line up perfectly to create a beautiful picture. And these are going to be the whimsy characters that we have. And right now, only the reindeer, the penguin, and the gingerbread are the only ones that are still available. And it comes in a beautiful box, already looking like it has the ribbon and the bow in it. So what a cool gift. This is a great gift, and it's from Temp-tations. So you know they're going to be made out of the ceramic. They're going to be able to still be very useful in a lot of different appliances, etc. But in the meantime, let's show you the other 2. So this is the reindeer, obviously. We also have the gingerbread man. That is the most limited. And then we also have this in the penguin. How cute! And he is so very, very popular. So the whole thing about this, let's bring in Lisa, because I thought this was adorable. Did you guys do this last year? I can't remember.
Yeah, we did it last year, Mary Beth. It debuted in a Down Home with David, and it sold out in 5 minutes. So we brought it back this year. We brought more characters, but they already sold out. But what's so great about this is a guaranteed smile when you give this as a gift. So first of all, these are 4 16-ounce mugs that tell a story. Whether you pick Wimbley or reindeer, whether you pick Penny or penguin, or whether you pick our gingerbread, these are just iconic, classic Christmas characters. What I love about them is all of the detail. So whether you pick the top one that has the antlers with the beautiful polka dots all around, it's still that amazing mug that is oven safe, refrigerator safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, perfectly balanced with a handle on the side. And then there it is, Mary Beth. Love that. Look at the cardinal on the top.
I know it.
Tara does that every year in honor of her dad. Right. Yeah. Like you're laughing and you're smiling. That's what these mugs are all about.
And I love that you said they are going to be so versatile. So yes, they're microwave safe, they're dishwasher safe, etc. The hard part is making sure you get them back together again. So I think this one goes second. So you see how I started with one, and the handle sticks out of this one that's a little narrower. Okay. So now I'm going to put this one in. And then I'll put this one in. We'll see if it's going to work or not. I don't remember. And then, oh yeah, hey, I think I did it right. Did I? Yep, I did. So you can see
it's like a puzzle.
Isn't it fun? I mean, this is just cute, and this would be one of the best gifts. Here's the other thing I was just thinking. If you have to be a secret Santa, you know what I mean, where nobody knows who gave what, and it's good for men, women, etc., this would be a great secret Santa gift, wouldn't it?
Oh my gosh, Mary Beth, I love everything about this. First of all, let's talk about the functionality that it has, all of the properties of stoneware that we talked about with the oven safe, refrigerator safe. So that means I can literally bake in here if I want to, right? But there's some other functionality as well. The fact that you're getting 4 16-ounce mugs that's stacked vertically. You know, my mug cabinet behind me is a nightmare. Like mugs are like all over the place and they're inside of each other. This is organized. It's decor on your countertop for the holidays. And Mary Beth, I have to admit that when I saw we were working together today, I thought of your grandchildren and how much they would love this, right?
Absolutely. In fact, remember last year, you guys had the tiny little cups, and I bought them for the little guys, and they were drinking out of the little cups. Well, they're bigger now, and they like to drink more too because they're 3.5. So they could handle this big mug without a doubt. 16 ounces, but it is just adorable. And the hard part is deciding which one to buy. So we have the reindeer, as you do, but let's show the other 2, because the penguin and the gingerbread man are both very popular. So there's the gingerbread man. How cute is he? And there's the penguin. There's not that many of these left to go around, and yet it's $25. And basically what you're getting is 4 beautiful mugs and the holder and the gift box. So what a
Yeah.
great gift that you don't have to spend a fortune for, and you can give it to virtually anyone because it's going to hold. And then keep the box, because after the holidays are gone, then you can put it back in the box and save it till the next holiday. Now, more than
I love
100
that.
of these already ordered. When we put this in the dishwasher, does it have to be in the top rack?
It doesn't. That's the great part about Temptations. Honestly, like we don't baby anything in our office purposely because
Yeah.
we want to put it through the paces of real life, not, like
Yeah.
hand wash this and, take care of that.
Yeah.
No, we want you to have functionality and fun at the same time. And like Mary Beth, look how it matches
Yes.
back to our platter, our wood platter that we had earlier. Like these are our iconic Christmas characters. You'll find a lot of matching pieces. But what I love about this is, again, all you have to do is pick your favorite character, whether it's going to be the gingerbread, the penguin, or the reindeer. They all have fun names. Every year you'll pull these out and you'll remember, like baking Christmas cookies with the grandkids,
Right.
or sitting there on Christmas Eve and maybe these are all around the coffee table. Like
Yeah.
this is just memories.
You know what? It's funny because every holiday I love to make this one hot drink, and it's really simple. I'm trying to think right now what all goes into it, but basically it has cranberry juice, there's some apple juice, some orange juice, and you put that all together basically, and then you throw in some cinnamon sticks and a little bit of clove and nutmeg and whatever, and heat it up. And then you can drink it. It's like just one of like the hot drinks that you like around the holidays. So that would just be such a great thing to do, or make your hot chocolate or hot apple cider. You can buy the apple cider and heat it up, but these go in the microwave too, so you can heat that back up. I also love that you give us a nice big handle to it too. And that's not just for the ladies and you can get several fingers in there, but it's also for the fact that the guys can get their fingers through there too. So here's the thing, just to remind you, you are going to get 4 great mugs and the holder. Okay, now you got to put it together again and make sure that they all fit. And if it doesn't, hey, that's even more fun. And you can choose the reindeer, Whimsy, or you can choose the penguin, you said Penny, or the gingerbread man. These are $24.98, and the price goes up at the end of the day today. So don't forget, if you're going to get them, free shipping and handling, $5 a month on your credit card, and get them while they're at this special price of $24.98. They hold about 14 ounces each. Okay, yet to come, we've got the Temp-tations table